Hey guys, ngenikholwe-ke le. Umenzi Gomora, who is Jonas Gomora's son on The Polygamist, has officially joined Homecoming in Mzansi. And the funny part, the funniest thing about this whole situation is the fact that he comes with the exact same tendencies of Jonas Gomora, lapaya with The Polygamist. Ufika nawo la Homecoming, you would swear to Jonas Gomora because he's up and down. Ufuna unkosikazi kababa wakhe uMaNgcobo, and uMaNgcobo is so uncomfortable with the situation, which is why I would like us to talk about this and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down the channel so that you can watch my past videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's really get into the video. Now, uWanda Ndlovu has officially joined the Homecoming on Mzansi Wethu, and I think it's a good thing because we can all agree that the guy is a good actor. Like, no maybe character on. I remember actually this guy is lucky because I was selling seven. Now that he was playing the character of Ntutu there by ATV Scandal, ATV Scandal, was a new telenovela now. Busy Lana, and I think he'll be here for a whole season. So he plays the character of Q here on Homecoming, and uyindoda nakashwabi. So obviously uMaNgcobo is his stepmother. Now umfana shuthi ubone uMaNgcobo nice and stuff, and uyabona ukuthi ayebo untanga yami phela lona. In fact, I get untanga wakhe because he's still in high school, meaning that uyingane lana, but umfana ula ufuna uMaNgcobo ibad. So it started from the very first episode of the show because we all know that season 2 premiered on the 19th of June 2026. So qale ngaye nje fika the very first episode ngena ngaye mangabe fika uyambona from the way that he's touching uMaNgcobo. There's this one scene that I saw on Mzansi Magic's page lapho khona baba uMaNgcobo fika and uMaNgcobo is so uncomfortable. uMaNgcobo even goes further to tell uZethu ukuthi ebaba liyangane igangile, and I don't understand ukuthi why is uMaNgcobo not telling uShwabi ukuthi ebaba naye ngane nakho ingenzela into engazazi la. Look at this one. So ulana phezulu kombhede kaShwabi, and you can tell ukuthi he's fantasizing ngoMaNgcobo because he's busy holding uMaNgcobo's underpants, holding a flower in his mouth. Look at this boy ufika straight nama-tendencies kaJonas Gomora la kule show lena, and I think this storyline is going to be very funny. I'm wondering ukuthi uShwabi uzomenzani when he finds out about all of this, and I'm hoping ukuthi uMaNgcobo akazogcina nayilingeka agcine nikezela umfana lo ikhekhe ngoba you'll never know with uMaNgcobo. So guys, I don't know. Comment down in the comment section. Ningitshela ukuthi nina, what do you think about this particular storyline? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.